Hi everybody, my name's Lou and we're here at Sonax Canada with our good friends Active. And today we got this beautiful Toyota 4Runner here and we're getting nice and shiny for all you guys. So for the suspension of this machine, we got some Bilstein 8112s up front with a 3-inch lift supported by the aftermarket upper control arm. And in the rear, we got the Bilstein 8100s with a 3-inch lift as well, supported by upgraded springs and a spacer kit. So along with all the suspension upgrades, this machine also has a full lighting kit from Dynamics. And check this out, it even has a full-on air raid snorkel. Up top, it's got a rooftop tent, and it's even got a portable shower. So this thing is ready for any adventure you can throw at it. And as you can see, it's been having a busy time on the trail, so we're gonna get this thing cleaned up for you guys. Now, we want that mindset to go across every single product that touches this machine. For that, we got the most compact and powerful power washer in the game, the Active 2.3 and all its accessories. Along with that, we're gonna use the best car care cleaning products in the game, Sonax. right, everybody, check it out. We got this 4Runner looking nice and fresh, ready for the next adventure. Now, as much as detailing is about the look of your machine, it's also about giving your machine the respect and love it needs, just like we did here. We got all that mud off, we got all the gunk off, so our good friend Fareed is ready for that next adventure. Now, this was all made possible thanks to the most powerful and compact pressure washer in the game, the Active 2.3 with the wall mount and all its pro accessories. Combined with the Sonax line of products, the results speak for themselves. All these tools are designed to work with you, not against you, to deliver incredible results with minimal effort. So now we're ready for our next adventure.